All right, so I'm back to it. If you've been following my car Instagram, you know I said it's been like cold, raining, and all that shit. So I ain't been dropping no videos because, you know, it's been cold, raining, holidays, been a lot going on. But you know I'm about to get back to it because I got a lot of content. Got way more bangers on the way. But I don't want all my shit to get too backed up to the point that I don't want to do the videos no more. So I ain't uploaded a video in like 2 weeks. You know, it's been like 2 weeks because, like I said, everything's just been going on. You see right here, got the 2019 Dodge Challenger Scatpack. Ain't washed it in like 2 or 3 weeks. You see it's fucking dirty all over the place. Dirt spots, bird shit, and all that. So, about to get ready to get this car washed up. If you've been following my car Instagram or YouTube or whatnot, you know I normally go to Decatur Auto Wash, Self Wash, you know, and do that whole thing there. I'm about to transition to washing my car in my garage. Well, right here and cleaning it, detailing it, and the inside right here, I thought I had a good vacuum cleaner. I got this for free, but this shit it's ass. So I'm about to order another one. You know, more like a handheld one. Got like nose, the hoses that you just use in a car. This just don't work. So once I get that, I'll be full on pretty much, you know, washing my car here because I won't need to go nowhere because I got everything here. I just bought like a cheap little hose for the day and like, you know, the sprayer, but I'm gonna get a high pressure wash or a foam cannon. I'm trying to see what's up. Not decided yet. You know, I got my car cleaning supplies, but purpose of this video, I got a new sponsorship through LiquidX. So they sent me all these products right here. So I'm gonna show you how, you know, how these work and, you know, give you a breakdown on this product right here. So right here, I got the interior detail, you know, put the spray on here, clean the inside. They also sent me detail spray, and this is like for in-between wash, just, you know, to wipe off dirt spots, watermarks, give it a shine, kind of like also give it like a coat as well. And then we also got this right here, this better butter wax, and this is like, you know, this right here you rub on. It's like a wax, almost like a coating, so, you know, it repels water and gives it a shine as well. And so they sent these two. This is for this bottle, this is for this bottle. This one right here just has top on it. You just pour it on the towel and smear it in. They sent 2 towels. This towel right here is for the outside detailing, and this one right here is for the inside detailing. So I got a code, Scatpack Mountain. If you go to their website, you see anything you want from here, you can order from them, get you additional 10% off. Like I said, they got way more products than this is what they sent me to start off with. I'm also planning on getting the foam cannon from them, as well as some other products, it's, you know, wheel cleaning. I'm gonna go full on LiquidX cleaning supplies. But right now, this is what I got right now. I'm gonna showcase these in this video. Go ahead and get the car washed up first. I guess I'm about to go somewhere to vacuum it out because that vacuum failed me. But like I said, once I get everything ordered, I'll show you my new car wash setup. This is just the showcase, this LiquidX stuff I got in. You can follow them on Instagram, put it down right here. Go ahead, wash the car up and get to these and show you how these work. All right, so I got the car all washed, clean, dried off. I still need to put some tire shine on here, but I got it all washed, dried it off. See it, glass brick. So first thing I'm about to do after I wash it is put this detailed spray on it. So basically what you want to do is, once you get done washing your car or in between washes, you use this detailed spray to add like an extra coat of sealant. It's going to give it a shine. And like I said, in between washes, if you just wash your car and 2 days later it get dirty, you just spray this on here, wipe it off with a clean microfiber towel. It removes dirt, water spots, bird doo-doo, and shit like that. So this is what I'm about to do. I'm about to spray a couple shots in this panel, wipe it off with the towel on one side and flip it just to get an extra buff to make sure it's completely off. This is the detailed spray, 16-ounce bottle. Put the price of how much it costs down below. Also, once I get done using a little of this, I'm also going to try out the better wax, but we're going to try this out first. Like I said, make sure if you're doing it right after you wash your car, the car is dry, spray it, get you a towel, and you know, just spray it by panel by panel. Don't spray the whole car, do it by sections. So I'm gonna do the back, door, front, hood, you know, and go around the car, trunk, roof. And you can use this on the windows as well as the plastic panels down here. You use it on all surfaces on the car. So I'll go ahead and show you how this works. All right, so I just did this back panel right here. I sprayed the detailed spray on here and wiped it off. And once you get done wiping it off, you can tell, once you rub a towel against it again, it slicks off better just because you didn't add an extra coat of sealant on here, you know, to repel water spots and stuff like that. So I just did this back panel. Like I said, you just want to spray it on here, wipe it off in one direction, flip the towel, and wipe it completely off. Like I said, that's the detailed spray. I'm about to try the butter wax on a different part of the car, but I'm gonna go over the car with this real quick and then go to the butter wax. All right, so now we're about to try this butter wax. This is basically a wax to repel, you know, water, dirt, almost like the detail spray, but gives you a true shine and extra coat on your car, you know. So after you wash your car, once the car is completely clean, the detail spray is to use in between washes. This is to use basically right after you wash the car, because like I said, you spent all that time washing the car. You put this butter wax on here. It's going to, you know, repel that dirt, give you a shine, and keep it cleaner way longer. So the first thing you want to do is you just shake it up, because this is not a spray bottle. Get you a clean microfiber towel, and you want to just put you 3 thin lines on the towel. That didn't go right. Well, put some more right here, more right here. All right, so then once you do that, you just want to flip the towel over and kind of dab it, and then you just flip the towel over because you want to use the clean side, and just buff this in, and just keep doing this until it's completely wiped off. All right, so I got it completely wiped off. Like I said, that was the butter wax. I also got some type of scented banana smell, and you can tell it's completely done once you don't see no smear marks, or you know, once you see that shine. Put the bottle on here, and it slides right away. That just goes to show you it's a seal on here, and the sun is not out really right now, so you can't really shine, but it definitely gives it an extra shine. You see my reflection right here, and that's pretty much it. Like I said, that was the better wax, and we also did the detailed spray, and then I still got the interior detail spray. This basically, you know, plain and simple, you spray the inside of the car. This works on all surfaces inside the car. Just spray it. I'm gonna use the towel that they sent me, this soft cloth towel. Just, you know, give you a couple of sprays right here. Take your towel and then just wipe it off. Pretty simple. It's always the last part I do in the car is clean the inside after drying off and spraying the outside. Just want to wipe the whole door panel. All that. One thing I like about this spray that I'm seeing already, that it doesn't leave, you know, that oily base on the car. You know, it gives it a little scent, it gets all the dirt off, but it don't leave that oily shine. I really don't care for that. I like to keep it looking clean and, you know, not dry, because it's not dry looking, but clean and new, not, you know, oily and stuff like that. So this was the interior detail spray from LiquidX. Like I said, put the price down, information all in the description. Use my discount code SCATPACK10 to get you 10% off anything you see on the website. So that's pretty much it. You see me use the Better Butter Wax, interior detail spray, and the regular detail spray. Like I said, this is Liquid X. Put the link down in the description for all these products. Also, if you're on the website, you use my code SCATPACK10 to get you additional 10% off. They also sell a wide variety of other cleaning products. This is what I showcase today in this video. Got more products from them coming. I do a review on those as well. Like I said, the detailed sprays to use between washes or after washes, add a shine and wipe away, you know, watermarks, dirt marks, you know, any debris you got on the car in between washes, or just the spray after you wash, just add an extra coat. And this is the cleaning spray, you know, to clean the interior. It works on all surface, cloth, you know, plastic, whatever surface you got inside your car. It doesn't leave an oily base on it. It got a good scent to it. And this is the wax, which you use after you clean your car completely. This gives you a good, real good shine, as well as add a coat of the protectant on it so your car doesn't get dirty as fast. And that's pretty much it.
Was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Yeah, reached every goal I set. I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. Yeah, and now I'm out here getting